Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are well and I wish that you stay healthy and happy always. Inshallah ta'ala. Ameen. I'm Ms. Huma Shahad and today I will be taking your class because Mama Rouge is having some internet issues. She will be absent for a few days and I will be uploading your lessons that you need to do every day like the way you used to do with Mama Rouge. And inshallah when she'll be back, she will be asking you whether you have done your work or not. And inshallah you will be doing your work on time. Alright, let's start today's lesson. First we need to do English. Today the date is 21st September, the year is 2020 and the day today is Monday. Alright, first we need to do dictation. For that you need to open your notebooks. I want to just say a few things beta. Since we are having online classes and we need to use computers or mobiles for these classes and your screen time is increased these days. So I just want you to understand beta that these classes are important, that you need to use the screens. But other than the classes beta, you don't need to use mobiles or laptops or TV so much because it will affect your eyesight. Beta, you need to decrease the use of laptops, mobiles and TVs in these days, especially because the schools are not opened as yet and you are not having physical activity these days. But you need to do physical exercises, you need to play physical games, you can ride a bike if there is space at your house, in your porch, in your terrace, at your rooftop. You need to play such games which will enhance your physical activity. It will improve your brain development as well. It will keep you stay healthy, fit, and the screen time should be decreased beta. Try to avoid playing games on mobile and PS4 or Xbox if you are using those gadgets these days. Please decrease the timings beta. All right, I want you to be very healthy and active. Your brain development will be increased inshallah with reading, with physical exercises. Inshallah, the schools will be opening very soon, and I hope to see you all happy and healthy back to school, inshallah. So let's move on back to the dictation part. Please open your notebooks in which you take your dictation. Open your books, open your notebooks, and I will be dictating the words that you need to do. But before that, what do you need to do? You need to put today's date. Today is 21st September. The year is 2020. You need to put the classwork C.W and you need to write today's day, which is Monday, Monday. So let's start dictation. I will be dictating the words and you should be writing. First word, number 1, beans. Beans. Number 2, weekend. 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 Number 3, green. 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 Number 4, beef. Beef. Number 5, straight. 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 Number 6, clothes, clothes, clothes. Number 7, right, right, right. Number 8, evening, 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 evening. Number 9, reader, reader, reader. Number 10, meet, meet. I will repeat the words. If you have skipped any word, you can rewind this video and listen to the word again. But I'm going to repeat one more time. Please listen closely. Number 1, beans. Number 2, weekend. Number 3, green. Number 4, beef. Number 5, straight. Number 6, clothes. Number 7, right. Number 8, evening. Number 9, reader. And number 10 is meat. Alright, beta. Next lesson, we will be starting Unit 2. You already have started Unit 2 of your book. Who are they? Please open your workbook of English, page number 8. Open this book. Open your English, workbook 2, page number 8. Write today's date, 21/9/20, then classwork, and then today's day. Remember that you put your date on the left side, you write the classwork in the middle, you write the day, that is Monday, on the right side of the page, on top of the page. Okay, now you have opened the page, you have written the date, classwork and day. What you need to do is to trace and copy the words. Trace and copy the words. And don't forget to read the words as well, bitte. You have to read them as well. Make the sounds. They all make the E sound. This column, this column, this column. They all make the E sound, but the spellings are different. You have to start from the dot, beta, okay? Write in a beautiful handwriting, trace properly, and don't forget to read as well. Seed, tree. You have to trace 3 and you have to write 3 as over here. Week. You have to trace week and then you have to write week over here. Peep. Peep. Bead. Then you have to write bead over here. Leaf. Leaf. Don't forget that you have to start from the dot. Leaf. Leaf. Leaves. Leaves. Each. Each. Peat. You have to write peat over here also. Even. Even. Evening. Evening. Complete. Complete. You can see every word that we have read has an E sound, but the spellings are different. Here it's double E, it's here EA, and here it's E over here, there is some letter over here and then E over here as well. Like E, peat, even, evening, complete. You have to read, you have to trace, and then you have to copy the words. Beautiful handwriting. Alright, beta. Next exercise Number 5, what do we need to do over here? We have to circle the correct word in each box. Copy the correct sentences in your notebook. You just have to circle over here. First, we need to circle over here. We don't need to use the notebook for now. Just copy, just circle the correct word over here. So first, one day, please, Pete planted some beads or seeds. Here is Pete. What is he doing? He is planting some seeds, not beads. One day, Pete planted some seeds. So we need to circle the correct word. B part, every evening he watered them. Every evening he watered them, not even. Evening. He used to water them in the evening. So we will circle evening. Every evening he watered them. C part. For dash days nothing happened. For 3 days or free days? For 3 days, not free. So we will need to circle 3. Number part D. Then he saw some little shoots peep, sleep up. Peep up. They were peeping up. You can see these little shoots are peeping up. So we need to circle peep, not sleep. Then he saw some little shoots peep up. E part. Soon there were some dash dash on the shoots. What were there? Tree? No, green. Leaves or leaf? There was one leaf or many leaves? There were many leaves. So we need to circle green over here and leaves over here. We read the sentence again. Soon there was some green leaves on the shoots. Good job. F part. 4 weeds later or weeks later? Not weeds, weeks. 4 weeks later, each or eat plant had a flower. Each plant, not each plant. Each plant had a flower. See, we will read the sentence again. 4 weeks later, each plant had a flower. All right, you have circled the correct words and you have to read them once again. Another thing you can do, you can erase the wrong. You can put a line. You can cross them for better understanding if required. Or you can just circle the correct words. All right, beta. Now, homework. For today's homework, you will be given a reading task, and that reading task is posted already on your Google Classroom. You just have to click the link and read it. All right, beta. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson, which is of computers. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now the next lesson, which is of computer. Today the date is 21st September 2020. The day is Monday. And we will be continuing with our first topic, Know Your Computer. What is a computer? It is a machine that runs on electricity. It works very fast. It helps us save time and energy. Basic parts of computer: monitor, mouse, CPU, that is central processing unit. All the processing, all the work is done inside CPU. And keyboard. We type through the keyboard. Now, output devices. The part of a computer that helps us to show the results of processing are called output devices. Monitor, printer, speakers, and headphones. This is a monitor. This is an example of output devices. Monitor. It looks like a TV screen, and it shows whatever you type on the keyboard or draw with the mouse. Next example is of a printer. Printer. It prints the work from computer screen on a sheet of paper. Thank you, beta. See you soon, inshallah.